Struggling with repetitive tasks that eat up your team's day? Well, the solution might be an AI that you can simply talk to. In this honest review, we're taking a close look at the Gumloop AI automation platform. We'll see what it does, its benefits, and its downsides, using only the details from their website. So, Gumloop is a platform that enables you to create custom AI agents to automate your workflows, all without writing any code. The process involves connecting your data from various sources like Slack or Google Drive, and then instructing an agent using natural language to perform specific tasks. These tasks can range from automatically processing incoming leads to enriching customer data and handling support inquiries. The overarching goal is to replace manual repetitive work with intelligent automation that learns from your data and systems. The standout advantage is the no-code agent builder that uses natural language, making it incredibly accessible for business users to create powerful automations. The platform's designed to seamlessly integrate with the tools and data sources you already use is a major benefit for creating cohesive workflows. The potential to automate complex multi-step processes like lead qualification or data synchronization promises significant improvements in operational efficiency and speed. The platform's marketing focuses on capabilities, but the actual accuracy and effectiveness of its AI agents in handling edge cases or complex logic are not demonstrated, which is a vital piece of the puzzle. Gumloop offers a 3-tier pricing structure starting with a free plan that includes 2K credits monthly, 1 seat, 1 active trigger, and forum support. The solo plan at $37 per month provides 10K plus credits, unlocks unlimited triggers, webhooks, and email support. For teams, the $244 per month team plan includes 60K plus credits, up to 10 seats, enhanced concurrent runs, unlimited workspaces, unified billing, and dedicated Slack support along with team usage analytic. See you later, my friends.